Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check recently watched reels on Instagram. For this, just open up the Instagram application. So for this, two different tricks I am going to show you. They are not foolproof, but they are the best options that we have at this time. So let's tap on reels at the bottom right. And you can see I really like this reel, but I scroll past it. I watch several other reels and I wanted to go back and I wanted to watch that history or go back, and you went back home and you get other stuff like other posts, you did other things. The thing is, as long as you haven't closed out of Instagram or it hasn't been a really long time, you can always just go back up on your reels history list. Just go back your reels and it will just let me swipe down like this to go back. As you can see, I can just swipe back and there it is. I can find that specific reel. Now if this was a reel that you watched like a week ago or month ago, this is not gonna work. So this is pretty recent stuff. If you just watch a bunch of reels and you wanted to go back and rewatch one that you watched previously, you can always just use this option. Now the second thing, and this doesn't always work, if you interacted in some way with the specific reel, you can go back and find it. So let's say I like this reel here, add comments on it or something like that, and I have lost it. I've closed out of Instagram, I can't find it again, but I want to find and rewatch that specific reel. I can tap on my profile at the bottom right and then the three lines at the top right, and then I can tap on this your activity, the third option, and then as you can see this option likes, comments and tags. So I just like that reel, so I will go for this likes, and you will see that first reel that I just liked it. So of course if you wanted to go back and watch an old reel or see the history, this doesn't work for all them, especially if you didn't like, comment or anything like that. But if you did, you can always just go back in here and watch it again. That's why I really recommend, if you like any specific reels or any post or anything like that, make sure you hit that like button so you can always go back and watch them again down. They kept in here basically forever. You can just scroll through this list, watch a reel that you like 6 months ago. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.